So, students, this is exercise 5.2 quadratic equations, third problem. Exercise 5.2, third problem. All of you read the question from the textbook, and even if you don't understand also, just read it. Students, all of you read the question. Find the consecutive positive integers. Sum of whose squares is 613. 613. Find the consecutive positive integers. Consecutive means one after the other. If it is one number is 5, other number is 6. Consecutive integers. Sum of their squares should be 616. If we square them, square serial numbers, one after the other. If you square and add, answer should be 616. That is the question. Answer should be 616. Sum of the squares of two consecutive numbers, one after the other. Consecutive, one after the other. Sum of the squares of two consecutive numbers is 616. That is a given question. That means if one number is 14, other number will be 15. That means 14 plus square plus 15 square, like that. Two serial numbers, one after the other. So we have to find these two numbers. We don't know. We cannot try like this. There should be some process. See here. Let one number is equal to, students, see here. Then second number is equal to x plus 1. If one number is x, second number will be x plus 1. Because the difference is 1. One number 5 means other number will be automatically 6. 5 plus 1. Or you may take 5 minus 1, 4 also. Suppose if second number is 5, first number will be 4 like that. Anyway you can take. So the difference is 1. If one number is x, second number is x plus 1. How I took the numbers, you understand. One number is x, next number will be 1 more than that, x plus 1. Now sum of these squares. Students, read the question. Read the question. Sum of their squares. Given that first number square plus second number square is equal to 616. First number x means second number is x plus 1. Why plus 1? Consecutive numbers, one after the other. The difference will be 1. 616 is given in the problem. See it. Now students, simplify this and get extra. That's all. 613. 613. Students, x square plus a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. First number x square, second number x plus 1 square is equal to 613. A plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to 613. X square plus x square, 2x square plus 2x plus bring the 613 left side, minus 613 is equal to 0. Students, first how I assume the numbers that you have to understand. Suppose if I take first number as x, next number will be x plus 1 because consecutive numbers, one after the other. Sum of their squares, square both the numbers and add, answer should be 613, like that. 613. What are those numbers we have to find? X square is a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab, 2x plus b square is 1. 613 this side minus 613. So 1 minus 613 is 612. We can simplify this. Divide by 2. See, equation means we can do anything on both sides. Why I am dividing by 2? Numbers will become little smaller. Divide by 2, 2 cancel. Divide by 2, 2 cancel. Divide by 2, 306. 2 3s are 2 6. Okay. Divided by 2. Divide by 2. So that it becomes little simple. Now solving the equations. Solving the equations. Tell me two numbers. Sum should be 1. Sum should be 1. Product should be minus 306 into 1 minus 306. Product should be minus 306. Choose the number, students. Sum is 1, product is 306. You have to try. There is no other alternative. You have to try. Try the number such that sum is 1, product is 306. Correct. Students, 18 minus 17. 18 minus 17 is 1. 18 into 17 is plus into minus minus. 18 7 to 306. So x square plus 18x minus 17x minus 306 is equal to 0. 18 17. X common, another x remains plus x common, 18 remains, 17 common, x remains, minus is taken common, plus. So 306 is 18 into 17. 17 common means 18 remains. So if you take x plus 8 common, x plus 8 common, x minus 17 remains. X plus 18 common, x minus 17 remains. So x plus 18 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 18. X minus 17 is equal to 0, x is equal to 17. It is given that positive integers, so take positive. In these two I am taking positive only because they are asked to take positive number. So take x is equal to 17. What is the next number? X plus 1. First number is x 17. Second number is x plus 1. 17 plus 1 18. Therefore the numbers are 17 and 18. These are the numbers. Consecutive numbers. 17 square plus 18 square, you do it. 17 square plus 18 square. 17 square is 289. 18 square is something like that. Like this. It will satisfy the given condition. Consecutive numbers x plus 1, sum of their squares 613 is given. factors. After getting the factors, you know how to get x value. After getting x value, one number is 17, other number is 18. That's all. Up to here, my solution is over. Here onwards, this is left to you only. You should know the simplification. You should know factorizing, because not one. So many problems you did in the 8th class, 9th class in this model, and in 10th also, first bit itself, we completed 9 bits. First question itself. So much practice you got. You should know this factorizing. You should practice it. Right now, students, after this, read fourth one. Read fourth one. Seventh question, this is a right angle triangle. The problem deals with the right angle triangle. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeters less than the base. This is the base. These are the three sides. This is one side, this is one side, this is called hypotenuse. So, in this question it is named like this. This is named as base. And perpendicular, this is altitude. This is the hypotenuse. It is named like this in this question. We also call like this only. This is called base. Vertical line is called height. Altitude or height. Altitude. So this hypotenuse is this. Now, see students. Let base is equal to x. I am taking this as x. I am taking the base as x. Let base is equal to x. It is not given. Next. Altitude. Base is equal to x. Altitude is equal to, see the question, altitude is 7 centimeters less than its base. 7 centimeters less means minus. Base x. Altitude is x minus 7 centimeters less. 7 centimeters less. If this is x, this is x minus 7 centimeters less. Hypotenuse is given. Hypotenuse is given as 13. Students, check. Base x. Base is x. Students, this base I am taking as x. The height will become 7 centimeters. Hypotenuse is 13 given. It is given in the problem. Then, how to prepare the equation? Then, according to Pythagoras theorem, this is I am taking as x. This will be x minus 7. Hypotenuse is 13. Then according to Pythagoras theorem states that sine square plus sine square is equal to hypotenuse square. This is the Pythagoras theorem you studied in the 9th class, and even trigonometry also I gave this formula, Pythagoras theorem formula we studied. Many problems we applied this. In a right angle triangle, one side square plus another side square is equal to hypotenuse square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. Side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse. Pythagoras theorem statement. Over. Equation is formed. You have to simplify. You have to factorize. You have to find x value. That's it. Up to here, problem is over. Here onwards only simplification that you need to do anyway. Base is x. Altitude is 7 less, means x minus 7. Hypotenuse is 13 given. Pythagoras theorem is sine square plus sine square is equal to hypotenuse. A minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. 39 is 1, 39 square is 169. 39 into 39, 169. This side minus 169. 13 square is 13 into 13, 169. Taking it to the left side, minus 169. Minus 14x minus 120. 49 minus 169 is 120. We can divide it into 2. Simplification. Divide it into 2. So x square, 14 by 2 is 7. 120 by 2 is 60. Factors. Tell two numbers, sum is minus 7. Students, tell the numbers. Sum is minus 7, into is minus 60. Sum is minus 7, into is minus 60. That is 12 and 5. Minus 12 plus 5 is minus 7. 12 5 is 60. See here. X square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0. Minus 12 plus 5. 12 minus 5 is 7. 12 is greater, so minus 7. Minus 12 into 5 is minus 60. If you multiply, you have to get minus 60 into 1 minus 60. If you add, you have to get 7. What will be the numbers? 12 and 5. 12 is 5, 7. 12 into 5 is 60. X common, x minus 12. X common, x minus 12. 5 common. 12 is 60 is 12 into 5. X common, another x remains x common 12. 5 common, x minus 60 is 12 into 5. 5 into 12. X minus 12 common. X plus 5 remains. x minus 12 common x plus 5. So x minus 12 is equal to 0, x is equal to 12. If you take this x plus 5 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 5 we are getting. Sign cannot be negative. I am not taking the negative number. Sign means sign cannot be minus. Sign may be 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, but not minus 2 centimeter. So x is equal to 12. That means base x is equal to 12 centimeter. What is the question? Students, see the question. Write down it. Find the other two sides. Base x is equal to 12. Altitude x minus 7. That means 12 minus 7. 5. Base is x. What is x? 12. What is the other side? X minus 7. 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. So the two sides are 12, 5. This side is given 30. This is 12, this is 5. This side is given 30. So over. Students, all of you read the fifth question. It is little difficult, so read it. All of you read the fifth question. All of you read the question. See, it is a big lengthy question. A cottage industry produces certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was so how many articles they are making per day? Let number of pottery articles made per day is equal to x. Let the company is making x items per day. So you forget about everything. They are preparing some items, whatever may be the items. So how many items they are preparing per day? X items. Number of pottery articles made per day is equal to x. Cost of each article is equal to, what is the cost of each article? Cost of each article is 3 more See here students, this is some little difficult problem. The cost of each article, cost of each article is 3 more than, that means plus 3 of what? Twice the number of articles made per day. Twice the number of articles means 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3. This is the cost for preparing one article. So total cost is, students see here, is equal to how many articles we are preparing? X articles we are preparing. Cost of each article is 2x plus 3. Suppose we are preparing 10 articles. Each article say 20 rupees. So 10 articles means 10 into 20. Each article, 10 articles we are preparing. Each article cost is 20 rupees. So 10 article cost is 10 into 20, like that. Number of articles are x. Each article cost is 2x plus 3. So this is given, this cost is given as 90 rupees. Given. That's a problem is over. Remember this because the problem and understand that the little confusion. So I simplified. Simplest way I explained. Let we are preparing x articles per day. How many articles? X articles. What is the cost of each article? Twice the number of articles plus 3 more. 3 more than twice the article. 2x plus 3. Then what is the total cost? X articles, each article cost is 2x plus 3. Total cost is number of articles into per article cost. This is given as 90. Oh. Here onwards you can easily do. X into 2x, 2x square plus x into 3, 3x plus 90 this side minus 9. Now students, tell me two numbers. Sum is 3. Product is minus 90 into 2. Minus 180. Sum is 3. Product is minus 90 into 2. Do it. What are the numbers? First number same, last also same. This we have to split. Students, can you tell numbers? 15 minus 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. 15 into 12. Correct, 180. 15 12 180. So plus 15x minus 12x. Plus 15 minus 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. 15 into 12 is 180. First two, x common. 6 common. 6 2s are 12. 2x. Minus is only common. Plus 6 15 the 90. So 15. So then 2x plus 15 common. Friends, writing part is least important. You can note it down afterwards by watching the video once again. But understanding is different. First you listen carefully. 2x plus 15 common, x minus 6. So 2x plus 15 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 15 by 2. Number of particles cannot be negative. So cannot be negative. Take only plus, because how many articles we are Cost of each article 2x plus 3. Students, write x is equal to 6. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 3, 15 rupees. 15 rupees. Number of articles 6. Number of articles per day is taken as x. We got x is equal to 6. We got this also. We are not taking this because number of articles cannot be negative. So leave it. Take this also. Then 2 into 6 plus 12 plus 3 is 15. So 6 one answer, 15 other answer. Over. Read and understand. Just do the analysis. Understand the problem. If you don't understand, you tell me. Students, after this, all of you read the 6th question and try some steps. Find the dimensions of a rectangle whose perimeter is 28 and whose area is 40. Perimeter 28, area is 40. Rectangle. This is called length, this is called breadth. Length and breadth. Students, see here. We have to find length and breadth. That is our question. Dimensions means rectangle will have 2 dimensions. One is length, one is breadth. You have to find length and breadth. 2 values we have to find. See here. Let this is rectangle. Let, don't write. Until I get the equation, you just listen. Length is equal to x. I am taking length is equal to x. Perimeter. Don't write. Perimeter is 28 here. Perimeter is 28 meters. Students, perimeter is 28 meters. What is the perimeter of rectangle formula? 2 into L plus B is equal to 28. Rectangle, perimeter of rectangle formula 2 into L plus B is given as 28. Take equal to y. We should not take two variables. This total chart is only one variable. Either totally x or totally y or totally any variable. So don't introduce x, y, z like that. So that means you can assume only one value, get other value in terms of that value. I took length is equal to x over. Don't assume breadth. Breadth we will find out. How? Perimeter is given 2 into L plus B is equal to 28. L is x. 2 that side 28 by 2 14 plus x that side minus x. So what is the other value given? Area is equal to 40. See the question, students. Area is equal to 40. Area is given as 40. What is the area of rectangle formula? Length into breadth. What is length? X. What is breadth? 14 minus x minus 40. Our next step we will do. Length is x, breadth is 14 minus x into 14. 14x minus into minus. Plus into minus. Minus x into x square minus. Generally we keep the x square plus. So multiply into minus. This will become plus. This will become minus. This will become plus. Students, factors. 40 into 1 is 40. Tell two numbers. Sum should be 14. Into should be 40. 10 and 4. 10, 4. Minus 10 minus 4 is minus 14. Minus into minus. Plus 10 into 4, 40. So x common in the first two, x minus 10. Minus 4 common, x plus minus common means minus. 40 is 4 times up. X minus 10 is equal to 0, x is equal to 10. What is 14 minus x? So 14 minus 10 is 4. Therefore, length is x. X is 10. Breadth is 14 minus x. 14 minus x is 4. Practice these problems. If you are not understanding, you can put it in the chat box. So anytime you can ask the doubts. Or in between, if you are hesitating to ask, so last day after completing this chapter, I will give time. Now at that time also you can ask the doubts. But simple problems, and even I am going very slow so that you have to understand. Because theoretical problems you have to understand. I cannot go fast. So theoretical problems, step by step I have to explain, and I am taking little time to explain. So you understand. Even if you don't understand, you watch the same video once again and get perfect. Do it. So let us start the today's class.